Is this their ultimate find of the year? If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just most satisfying is an absolute lifesaver. Everyone is talking about it lately cause the build quality is premium. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it solves an annoying problem, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal while stocks last. Is this their ultimate find of the year?